This is the video tutorial on how to display Hello World using HTML code. First, go to Start button, then search for the notepad, then start typing HTML document using HTML tag. The body tag. After that, inside the body tag, type Hello World, then go to the file button, then save as in the desired location, and then change the file name into HTML. And then that type is all files, then save it. After that, open your HTML document. And that's it. Thank you.